Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Roborock Saros Z70 for the first time using the Roborock app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. So just search your app store for Roborock, download the app, sign in, create your account, and you'll be all set and ready to go. If you're interested in the Z70 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the description. So we already have our app pulled up right here. We need to add our new vacuum. Hit the plus icon near the top right-hand corner. We can scan a QR code. There is one on the vacuum, or you can add manually. Up to you. We're going to very easily just pull this out, pop open the cover, and there's the code we need to scan. Boom. Simple, straightforward right there. Now we need to press and hold the power and dock buttons. So we're going to hold those right here. 3 seconds.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
Got the voice prompt. Now we can select next. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. So make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network or a mixed network. Find your network, enter the password, select next. Now it wants to connect to the device, so we need to connect to the device's Wi-Fi. We can join it right there. We have our little prompt down at the bottom, waiting for everything to connect. I'm going to take this moment to move this back into the station.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Stand by.
We got the voice prompt, connecting to Wi-Fi, stand by. It's binding the device.
Wi-Fi connected.
Wi-Fi connected. There we go. Enter device. It's loading. I see it at 80%. For a battery charge, it's loading at 100%. Accept some legal info, and here we go. Here's our startup screen. Prep before cleaning. You can tweak these settings. You can also change them later. So we'll do multi-level, carpet. We do have pets, so we'll do that. Next, we have a firmware update notification, so we're going to select OK. Let's turn on auto update and update now. All right, so is that 100%? And now we have a voice prompt letting us know that it's updating it. It'll take a couple of minutes, so we'll continue to wait as it installs.
Firmware update complete.
Just got a voice prompt. Firmware update's complete. The app is now in line with that too. And we can go back out, and there we go. Everything has been set up. Now it's time to start creating a map, getting our environment prepped, making sure we have all of our doors open, the floor tidied up. We can let this thing run, and then we can build out our map, customize it how we see fit, and you're all set and ready to go at that point. So if you're wondering how to create a map, you may actually have a map button there on your scene. If not, though, we can hit the settings option. We can go down to manage maps, and right here we can toggle on or off map saving. Here's the partial map it started to make from earlier, but we have the create new map down at the bottom, and that's how you're going to prep and get ready. But super simple and straightforward setup. It takes like a minute to get everything set up. Then I'd say a solid 5 minutes for the firmware to update, but make sure you do that before you continue using the Z70 to get the best experience possible.